Hi friends, my name is Timmy Moser and I'm a wildlife photographer living in South Africa. Today I want to show you how you can change your images from this to this using Topaz Labs Photo AI. So now let's hop into the app and I'll show you how the post-processing works. While this loads, be sure to like and hit that subscribe button below, and I've also added a download link to Photo AI in the description. Now in the app, we have a main window showing before and after views and a top right window for navigation. Below this, we see the autopilot box where the software detects the subject and then makes recommendations for the adjustments. This green dot appears where the adjustments are made. We see that a high noise is detected, which makes sense, and that a strong noise reduction has been applied. Below this, there are a few other options I like to toggle on and off to see how the image changes. I'll apply the lens blur reduction as telephoto lenses are prone to motion blur, and then I'll also select enhanced resolution for high fidelity since this photo is taken on a 34 megapixel camera. I believe the low resolution option is for mobile cameras and extreme crops. Below this, we can also upscale the image for large format prints, but I'll leave this off as the file size can become unbearably large. Now here's a comparison of before and after, and I'll also zoom in on the eyelashes just for fun. Everyone loves to pixel peep eyes. And just like that, we have enhanced image quality, and it looks like we used an extremely expensive camera in really nice lighting conditions, but this all took place with just a few steps with Photo AI. I'll put a few more before and after examples on the screen, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions on how the software works or if you want another tutorial, just drop a comment below. Thanks.